Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, now the second part of the lecture number 13. Now the first part, which is also already discussed in a practical form minutes of the meeting. Now proposal writing. Proposal writing. Now the first part is title. Under the title, you must write what is the title on which you are also asked to give the proposal, because keep remember, because this proposal is also written to make a research work on a specific topic, in which under the title, your title should be clear and also very accurate, and you must identify of your proposed search approach or the key question. On the second group, background. What is the background of the search? Why you want to make a research on this topic? Why you propose to have a research work on the relevant topic? And why you are asking to make a research? You should write the background and issue of your proposed research, and then identify your discipline, and also you can also write a short literature review and a summary of key debates and development in this field. So definitely now the problem can also be occur while making a research on a particular topic, and you must make it assure that why it is necessary. Number 3 research question. And then you must write the questions. What are the questions in this regard? You must write here, and then you make it assure why these questions are need to make a research, and you should format this clearly, giving an explanation as to what problem and issues are to be explored and why they are worth exploring. Definitely, you must write the requirement of the question, why these questions are necessary to make a discussion, why these questions are necessary to make a research on the relevant subject, because according to your point these questions are very relevant to the topic and must need to have a research on these questions. Because definitely while raising the question you must be very careful, because every question which is also raised by you need a research. So for the accomplishment of the research, you must need a comprehensive background, you must need a comprehensive research methodology, and also how to find out the solution of all those problems and to make your research work possible. So number 4, you must write the research methodology. What is the method adopted while making a research? You must write individually, one by one, what methodology is also adopted by you. You should provide an outline, then the theoretical sources to be drawn on the research approach, and the research method should be appropriate for the proposed research, and then a discussion of the advantages as well as limits of the particular approaches, and methods. And then plan of work and time schedule. Time schedule. You should include an outline of various stages and corresponding timelines for development and implementing the research, indulging writing up your thesis. You must mention the limitations in what time you can also make complete of those research work. Definitely it also depend on the topic. If your topic is a very comprehensive, so definitely the time required definitely is long as compared to a common topic. So you must write the mention, you must write the schedule and also plan of the work. In what way you have make this research possible and what is the methodology which is also adopted you. So in the last point you must write the bibliography. So here in this title you must write a list of the references to the key articles, text discussed within your research proposal, a section of sources appropriate to proposal research. So now in this point you must write the list of the references which is also make this proposal possible and justify your proposal to have a research work. So you must give the list why it is necessary, why this topic is need to make a research, and what is your plan and what is your time schedules, and you must write a relevant detail. Definitely it is also depend on the title. So you must keep in mind all kind of the points in which you must write the title, then background, and then research question which is also in the pure reproduction of your mind, and then the methodology of the research and plan of work and time schedule. So in the end you must write the list of all kind of the references which are used for the accomplishment and justify your proposal to have a research on the relevant topic. So today's dear students, now the two topics are practically presented and writing method minutes of the meeting and proposal writing. So now the detail which is required according to the requirement of your topic. Thank you so much.